All right, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the vlogs. Today is the first video of me doing a mod to the new Supra. And for all you guys that own a Supra or have a Supra, you guys already know like one of the biggest flaws the Supra body has. And it's driving with the windows down, and it is sometimes super unbearable. Sorry if I sound tired, I kind of just woke up. I had a late start to the day, so it's kind of unbearable with how bad the wind noise is when the windows are rolled down. And you kind of think to yourself like, how did they let that happen? And it's kind of like crazy. But anyways, the very first day I bought the car, I didn't realize how bad it was going to be. I've seen like videos and other people talk about how bad it is, but I just never really realized like how bad it actually was. So literally the first day I bought the car, I went online and just literally bought the part that almost every Supra owner has for the car to be able to drive with the windows rolled down without having to hear that blah 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 noise you hear. It's like that sound where you only have the, like in a 4-door, or like when you have, yeah, pretty much when you have a 4-door and you roll your windows down in the back, you know how it goes, does that boom 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 boom. It's that exact noise, but when your windows are rolled down. It only happens at a certain speed, but like on freeways it's fine, but I like to drive with my window down everywhere, so I had to get this part. This part was literally a necessity. So should come with two. Let's see. So I don't know what these are called. I don't know what are they called, window deflectors or something like that. I'm not too sure what these are exactly called. I'm just gonna tell them wind deflectors. But I bought these wind deflectors from MAP Performance. They weren't too bad. They weren't too expensive, but I went ahead and picked those up literally the day of I got the car, just because, like I said, it was just unbearable. So. Whew. I got them stickers, and I'm pretty sure this is the green tape to put it on. Oh, these are really small. Oh, huh. Dude, one thing I noticed after buying this car, buying parts for this car are so much more expensive. Like these little things I'm about to show you, after tax was like $200. $200! Alright, so these are what I bought. I bought these window deflectors, and I bought them in polished or in shiny, I don't know what they're called, shiny carbon, clear coated carbon. They also offer dry carbon, but I wanted something that matches the window, the mirror caps on the car, because that's clear coated carbon. I don't know. I'm so tired. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but that's what I opted out for instead of just dry carbon. These are actually really nice. They feel like really good quality. Just check to see if they have any damage or anything on them. They look to be in pretty good condition, so. This one has like a scuff on it, but it's not the end of the world. So, probably gonna put these on in just a minute, just because I've been waiting for these to come in so I can roll down my windows when I drive. So I will pick up the camera when I go install them. Alright, so I am back. I had to run to Pep Boys because they didn't give me enough 3M tape to cover the whole, well, to put enough for the wind deflectors, but I drove to Pep Boys with it on, and they work perfectly, which is a big relief, because like I said, I love rolling my windows down while I drive. I like having my windows rolled down, and just not having my windows rolled down because it's so like obnoxious. Like, it is terrible, but they work pretty well and they look pretty nice. I like the gloss finish on the caps, so I'm pretty happy with it. Not gonna lie, and it's freaking hot as balls right now. Nice, bro. Nice illegal U-turn, idiot. But anyways, yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. They don't make any noise at all, except obviously for the wind. that comes in the cabin, but it's pretty nice. I like them. I'm not upset with them. They work pretty well. They actually add a nice little finish with the carbon fiber mirror caps that come with the car, so it's actually really cool. A little more carbon on the car. Yes. Oh god. But yeah, this is the first vlog with the Supra. I'm gonna make an update video telling you guys how much I like this car, because like it is such a nice car. Like every time I get in it, it's so like fun to drive. Like, oh god, and it's quick, it's nice looking, you know, it just does a lot of things right, and I just love I love this car, honestly. Like, it is so nice. I'm still under the break-in period, so I'm at 231 miles. I've had this car for almost a week now. But yeah, so I'm gonna turn on the AC for once because it's that hot. I usually don't even turn on the AC ever. But I cannot wait to do mods to this car. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna make this car look so nice. One thing I really want to do before I really start modding the car is I want to get this car paint corrected with, it has some little defects on the car, and I want to get it coated with ceramic, because you guys know how black cars are. Like, they show swirl marks like crazy, and I'm not trying to deal with that. So I'm gonna get this car coated and everything, paint corrected, and then from there I'll start doing some mods to the car. But for now, that is my main goal for this car, because I just know how bad the paint can get with black cars, because I've had a black car before, and it's not fun to deal with, especially. So that's going to be the main thing on the channel first about this car. But until then, I'm enjoying this car a lot, though. Like, I can't explain it, and I can't tell you guys enough how fun this car is to actually drive. Like, even though it's an automatic, like, I don't care at all. Like, the automatic transmission and these things are so nice and so smooth and so fast that it's fun to drive also. I guess that's the end of the video. I don't know what else to talk about. I just wanted to let you guys know, like, if you guys are in the market of buying a Supra, like, these things are literally a must to buy, because the wind noise, I'm telling you guys, is literally terrible. Like, it is unbearable. It is bad. So definitely a pickup you should invest in, and it's not that expensive. It's like a couple $100 after taxes and shipping and whatnot, so it's not too bad. So anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are still looking forward to all the new Supra content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.